So we have here another repair. This one is a Budweiser, the King of Beers. So I already plugged in the sign. That's the first thing I do. I plug it in and see what happens. So it has two transformers. Got two transformers here. Each one with their own switch. So I'm going to turn on the first one. And the other one looks like it's good. And I'm going to turn the second transformer. Then the first one went out. And then you have it blinking. So let me check. Okay. So, I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but I have to check each section by itself using the tester. That one's good. This one is good. This one is good. This red part is good also. It has two sections behind the plastic, which actually has three. They're all good. The middle part is the only one that's not lighting up. So, next thing to do is to disconnect the middle part. Well, no, I'm not going to disconnect it. I'm going to jump wire it. Put a jumper wire in between these two electrodes. And then try again. If the middle part is the one that's making the whole thing not work, then right now it should work. And there you have it. Upper part, bottom part. So the bad part that's messing up everything is the circle in the middle. Now I have to take it out. Take out the circle. And then put the sign somewhere else. This is just one of, I've got 3 signs to repair. Plus some other neon to repair. So now I make a pattern, which I already did. I just traced it with a Sharpie. So this unit is painted on the outside, so I really can't repair it. If I put it through the process, it'll burn the paint. So let's see if it's painted. Yeah, it's painted. You see the paint is coming off. It's actually white glass on the bottom, painted orange on the top, on the outside. So I'll just have to make a new circle. So that's what I'm going to do now, make a new circle. So to make orange, I use green glass, and if I put neon gas, it'll light up orange. If I put in argon gas with mercury, it would light up green. So that's the glass that you usually use to make orange. I just have to turn on the fires. And get me the green glass. I have to make the new glass, the new circle, the same with the same diameter of glass as this one. Handy tool that tells me the diameter of glass. And this one's telling me that this is 10 millimeter diameter. So I'm going to look for a 10 millimeter diameter glass, which I hope I have. Green. UV light. Good to, it's good for checking the color of the glass. I bought this UV light at Bath & Beyond. It's supposed to be a bug killer, virus killer. It also worked for checking the color of the glass. So, first bend. I'll probably use one complete stick for the whole circle. Now I'm going to make a double back here for the electrode, and then I will continue with the circle. I have to wait for it to cool down. Next bend. Again, I have to wait for it to cool down. Next bend. Again, I have to wait for it to cool down. But in the meantime, I can tell you that if you are interested in learning how to bend glass to make neon signs, I have a series of videos that I'm selling. I sell them on my website and on eBay. They're about 65 to 67. I don't remember exactly the number, but more than 60 videos that teach you how to bend glass. And I have them for sale. So if you're interested, look down on the description where I'll put the link. If you're interested in taking the same course in person, I also give classes in person. You would have to come over, of course. It's a 5 hours a day course on glass bending. If you take the week-long class, you also get the videos included. So if you want information on that, send me an email. I also will put the email on the description so you can ask me for the price and everything. So if you want to learn how to bend glass, all the videos are there, or come in person. I'm going to do a double back now. Have to wait for it to cool down. Now for the last bend. The last bend is going to be here, so this part will just close to where it should be. Now to install the electrodes. it is. The circle is done, and now I take it to the pumping.